These pancakes are good. It's pancake day and it's 2 Minute Tuesday. Here we go. It is Shrove Tuesday, and for our 2 Minute Tuesday today, of course, we're going to be making pancakes. If you haven't been to Taste already and tried our fluffy stack of American pancakes, you need to get down here today. It's pancake day. If you can't get in here today, then it's 2 for 1 on our American pancakes every single Tuesday. But today, of course, is pancake day, so we're going to show you how we make our fluffy American pancake stack. First of all, you need 300 grams of self-raising flour, you need 2 eggs, you need 400 milliliters of full fat milk, and you need 50 grams of melted butter. Tuesday, it's obviously pancake day, so our fluffy American pancakes, really easy to do. 4 ingredients, whack them together in a little frying pan, flip them over. You can add a little bit of a little bit more butter if you want to be really naughty because it is pancake day. Please like and share the video if you've enjoyed it. Send it, share it to your family members. They can get the pancakes on the go for when you finish work or school today. Big stack of pancakes when you go home. If you can't be asked to make pancakes, come down to here to Taste at 17 and we'll make them for you and serve them straight to your table. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button 2020 style and get notified of videos coming up in the future of more recipes and more things that we'll be up to. Look forward to seeing you next time. This is Gary from Noshbox. See you later. Bye.